All right, for this last set of assessments, this is going to bring your stance into a single leg stance, and you want to make sure that you're doing this with no shoes, either in socks or barefoot, and you're on a surface that's pretty stable, like a wooden floor or something solid. If you're very cushy, it's going to throw you off, and you're not going to have a great baseline assessment on this, okay? So what we're looking for at the end of each assessment is number one, can you do the assessment? So yes or no. Number two, how comfortable was it on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being very uncomfortable, 10 being very comfortable. And then 3 is what we're looking for, how long could you do it for? The max amount of time that we're looking for in terms of assessing is 30 seconds. So if you fall off, you lose your balance, and you have to put your foot down, what was the amount of time that you did get if it wasn't 30 seconds? Okay, so first assessment here is we're going to stand on one leg, lengthen up nice and tall, and you're just going to balance on one leg. And we're looking for, again, all 3 of those things. Could you do it? How comfortable was it? And how much time did you go for? Then you can move to the next leg. Boom, same thing. Assess all 3 of those factors. Then we'll go into a level 2, which would be eyes closed. So we go eyes closed, balancing, and you're just going to, again, assess yourself. Eyes closed on both sides. Could you do it? How comfortable was it? And how long did you do it for? Now the next few things are, I'm on a little bit of a cushy surface, so I'm just going to use my hand here to just make sure I don't fall over and you see it. But I'm going to find my balance, and then we're going to work into those neck nods, or sorry, those neck rotations. Okay, so you're finding that balance, you're looking, all right, neck nods side to side for 30 seconds. Can you do it? How comfortable was it? And how long did you go for? Do 1 on each side. From there, we're going to go into, that was rotations, we're going to go into neck nods then. So you find that balance. Again, neck nods up and down. Okay, can you do it? How comfortable was it? And what was the time if you weren't able to get it for 30 seconds? Then we get into the fun stuff. Now these are eyes closed, and this is just really, really hard, right? So eyes closed. Again, I'm on a very cushy surface here with these mats and the carpet, so I'm just going to hold on, but I would go eyes closed, neck nods, okay, looking for 30 seconds on each leg, and then, I'm sorry, those were rotations, I keep getting those mixed up, and then we have neck nods up and down for 30 seconds on each side. Now with all of these, you can do all of one side first, and then all of the other side, because you might see a big discrepancy between one side or the other, and we just want to know that. That's why we're assessing this stuff, to see at the end of our balance training, is this stuff improving, and are you getting better, okay? So make sure you mark down all your results for each of those, so that we have a good amount of information to know that this is where we started, these are our drills we're working, and this is where we finished when we reassess after, 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 10 weeks, whatever it might be that we're assessing, okay? So hope that's a good explanation for you on some of these assessments that we're going to do. And just remember, it's a baseline, okay?